Hello guys, good afternoon. In this class we resolve the activity for week number 4, project 2. The title is Where Our Food Come From. Okay, continue with this. First activity is look at the map. Can you name the countries? Okay, this is the map of the world, and we need to identify these 5 countries. Okay, let me see what are these. In this case, we can say here Mexico, okay, letter B it's Colombia, Ecuador, Chile, and Thailand. Thailand is in Asia. Okay. After that, now the next activity is look at again the map, the photos, and the title of the article. What do you think the article is about? Okay. You can write here an idea about this class. What is the topic? Okay, maybe can you say in this case it's about the origin of the food, or what products each country produce, and you write a simple sentence. Okay, let me see, we continue with the reading. Okay, where our food come from. Pay attention to the reading. With this reading we resolve the next activities. Okay. In the US today, there are many different kinds of food in the supermarket. People buy tomatoes, oranges, and strawberries at any time of the year. In many parts of the US, this kind of food only grows in the summer. So in autumn, winter, and spring, it often comes from other countries. Let's look at a typical example. In the photos, the coffee comes from Colombia, the shrimps come from Thailand, tomatoes come from Mexico, the grapes from Chile, and the bananas from Ecuador. All this food travels thousands of miles to your dinner plate. Trucks, ships, and planes use a lot of fuels to carry food around the world. That's a problem for the planet. Now, hear what some of our readers said. Okay, my dad's growing potatoes, beans, and tomatoes in our backyard this year. If you can, it's a good idea to grow your own vegetables. This is Steve from Ann Arbor, Michigan. Mom goes shopping at our local farmer market every week. The food comes from around here and it's really cheap. Ceci from San Antonio, Texas. We live in an apartment in New York City. We don't have a yard, so our food probably comes from different countries. Sometimes it is impossible to think about the planet. Sierra from New York, New York. Okay, go ahead. And now we have the next activity. Identify the food. Match the food 1 to 5 in the photos. Write the names of these pictures. And after, write the countries according to each number. In this case, what is this picture? Okay, this product is coffee. Yeah. Next is shrimp. Okay, next, number 3, it's tomatoes. Next, it's grapes. And the last is banana. Okay, now, where are these products from? Okay, coffee is from, according to the reading, which said it's from Colombia. Okay, shrimps from Thailand. Number 3, it's tomatoes from Mexico. Number 4, next is grapes from Chile. And bananas from Ecuador. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead. Read the article again and complete the sentences. Okay. These sentences are from the reading. Okay, pay attention in this case. In the U.S., you can buy tomatoes. What more? Okay. Sorry. Yeah, we can. According to the reading, okay, go back to the reading and said here. In the U.S. today, there are many different kinds of food in the supermarket. People buy tomatoes, oranges, and strawberries. Okay? Now, what we can write here? Okay? Tomatoes, oranges, and strawberries. Okay. Next, food in U.S. come from. Okay, come from. Okay, let me see it again. We come back to the text and say, in many parts of U.S., this kind of food only grows in summer, so autumn, winter, and spring. It often comes from other countries. Okay, often come from other countries. Okay. Now the sentence says, food in U.S. often come from. Okay, let me see. The answer is other countries. Okay. Now, things that farmer market are cheap. Who said this? Okay. It is. He has a backyard this year. Grow your own vegetables. Steve. Someone goes shopping at our local farmer every week. And they come from around here. It's really cheap. This is cheap. Okay, this is sexy. Okay. And who said that? It's sexy. Okay. Live in New York. This is so easy, but it's only the answer is zero. Okay, and has a backyard is the other person, Steve. Okay, now. Traps, ships, and plane use. Okay, this is transportation. What use? To move. Okay, let's say truck, ships, plane use a lot of fuels. Okay, in some case diesels or gasoline. Yeah, in this case we write here a lot of fuels. Yeah. All this food travels, okay, to your dinner plate. Okay, this travel around the world. Okay, around the world. And the last, there are many different kinds of food in. Okay, when we buy these products in the supermarket. Okay. Now continue, go ahead to the next activity. The last is complete the word spiders with information from the text. Okay, what are the food transportation? We talk about three transports that we have here. Traps, ships, and planes. Okay, that we complete with this. Okay, let me see here. We write ships. Okay, next is another planes and trucks. Okay, trucks. Now, seasons. Seasons of the year. That's first is winter. Okay, another is spring, summer, and the other one is let me see. In this case is autumn, or in other states say fall, but it's the same word. Yeah. And the last is states from USA. What are the states that mentioned in the states? Okay, let me see. Let's say here, Steve from Ann Arbor, Michigan, Ceci, San Antonio, Texas, and Sierra from New York City, New York. Okay, what are the 3 states that mentioned in the test? Okay, that's right. You can write here Michigan, Texas, and New York. Okay, that's all, guys. Thank you for your attention, and please resolve these activities in your folder or your notebook and upload this evidence to the Word for activities in week number 4. Good luck, guys, and see you the next class.